Hey YouTubers, Darren here from Grass Ranch Garage. Hello YouTube, Darren here from Grass Ranch Garage. And today we're going to be switching out a carburetor on this Briggs and Stratton powered Husqvarna push mower. And here's the mower we're going to be working on. It's a Husqvarna push mower powered by a Briggs and Stratton Quantum engine. And one of the first things you're going to want to do is remove these screws holding this blower housing on. Next, you're going to remove the screw here holding the air cleaner cover onto the mower. Then remove the 3 5/16 bolts, one here, and one here, to remove the breather cover and primer bulb section. Then remove the governor spring. Then remove your 3/8 carb bolts located here and here after you have disconnected the fuel line here. Someone had been in here before and replaced one of the 3/8 bolts with an Allen screw and washer. When you get your new carburetor, it'll come with a new air breather gasket and O-ring for the intake manifold. Simply remove the old O-ring off the plastic intake manifold. If you can. There you go. Slide your new O-ring on. And it's also a good idea to give this little intake manifold a shake. It's plastic. If you feel that it's loose, it may be broken, you can replace this as well. To install the carburetor, simply slide the linkage into the appropriate hole in the butterfly valve. There's only one, so you need not worry if you got it right. Remove the fuel line out of your way and then place the carburetor onto the intake manifold. Now reinsert and tighten those 3/8 bolts. Now making sure that there is no debris blocking any of the orifices in the back of the air cleaner housing, install your new gasket like such. There are 3 locating dowels that will hold the gasket in place, and then reattach to the engine using the 3 5/16 bolts. Now reattach your governor spring. And since you're going this far, let's go ahead and give them a new air filter. And now let's reattach this engine cover. Simply line the holes up and tighten down the Phillips head screws. And that's it, guys. It's just that easy. You finally replaced the carburetor on that push mower that's been acting up in the garage. I'm Darren with Grass Ranch Garage. You all get out there and enjoy your weekend.